Sure. So my research focuses on mobility during disruption and disaster events. Specifically, I'm really interested in this phenomenon that occurs spontaneously often following disasters, which is this emergent volunteerism. And so people are often willing to help with rescue events or sharing resources. And so I'm interested in how, as a transportation engineer, we can help support this phenomenon that is already occurring by using advancements in technology and the skills that we have as engineers to really support this behavior. So one example of this, as a PhD student, I was able to work with a nonprofit in Houston, Texas called Crowdsource Rescue. And they formed following Hurricane Harvey, and they use an online platform that's kind of similar to like Uber or Lyft, which matches ride requests and offers for rides, but in this case it's requests for help and people who are volunteering to help. I worked with them following the pandemic or during the pandemic, where they shifted their strategy to help provide food to people in need. So they matched requests for food with people who are willing to deliver food to households in need. So that's one example of how this technology can help promote and support this sharing behavior. Yeah, there's a place for you here. I actually started in civil engineering as an undergraduate and only stayed for a semester before I shifted into English, and anthropology is what I ended up getting my undergraduate degree in, because I didn't see myself in engineering. I didn't see myself reflected in the courses, and I just thought this wasn't for me. And it took a very roundabout path to get back to it, and realizing that I do belong here and women belong in this field. And so I hope that I can support women who are interested in engineering and find ways to make it meaningful for them. So I came to UCI, actually, this is a very special place to me because I had planned to never leave Chicago. But this position opened up here, and it was forwarded to me by many different professors saying, I think you might be interested in this. So I had to give it a close look. And the position is for infrastructure equity, and it was open to anyone in civil engineering. And equity and justice are two of the issues that I'm very passionate about. So that caught my eye. And then as I read further into the description, I learned about the Black Thriving Initiative here at UCI, which is this cluster hire program where they're bringing together 12 faculty across all different disciplines on campus who are all dedicated to advancing the well-being of Black people and communities in America. It was a good sign to me that the university was highlighting these issues and putting resources to these issues and addressing it in a very smart way, I think. So that's what brought me here.